to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore smart and stylish solutions for creating your dream home. Today, we're venturing into the appealing world of modular cabin house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This approach combines the timeless charm and cozy ambience of a traditional cabin with the streamlined construction and numerous advantages of modular building. This isn't just about quickly assembled rustic homes. It's about intelligently engineered retreats that offer both character and convenience, often with a reduced environmental footprint and faster build times. What is the meaning of modular cabin house design? Modular cabin house design refers to the architectural and engineering process of creating cabin-style residences using prefabricated modules constructed off-site in controlled factory settings. These designs aim to capture the rustic charm and cozy feel of traditional cabins, often incorporating natural wood elements, pitched roofs, and a connection to the outdoors, while leveraging the benefits of modular construction such as quality control, faster build times, and potentially lower costs. The modular aspect signifies the off-site construction in sections, while cabin house design emphasizes the aesthetic and functional characteristics of a traditional cabin, tailored for recreational or full-time living in natural settings. It's about achieving the beloved cabin look and feel with the efficiency and flexibility of modular construction. What are the benefits of choosing modular cabin house design? Opting for modular cabin house design presents a compelling array of benefits, particularly for those seeking a quick and efficient way to establish a retreat in nature. Firstly, the controlled factory environment ensures high-quality construction and precise assembly of each module, minimizing errors and waste. Secondly, the off-site manufacturing process significantly reduces on-site construction time, leading to faster occupancy and less disruption to the natural environment. Modular construction can often result in more predictable and potentially lower overall costs compared to traditional stick-built cabins. The inherent modularity allows for flexible design options, customization of floor plans, and the potential for future additions. Furthermore, modern modular homes can be designed with a strong emphasis on energy efficiency and sustainability, incorporating advanced insulation and eco-friendly materials. Finally, modular cabin homes offer the sought-after rustic charm and cozy living spaces associated with cabin architecture, combined with the convenience and speed of modular construction. How to design your modular cabin house design. Designing your modular cabin house involves a collaborative effort with the modular home manufacturer's design team, or an architect specializing in modular cabin designs. Begin by defining your needs, desired size, and aesthetic preferences, focusing on the key elements of cabin styles such as roof pitch, siding material, e.g., wood, log look, window styles, and porch design. Work closely with the design professionals to adapt traditional cabin layouts to modular construction, ensuring efficient use of space and seamless integration of modules. Consider an open floor plan for the main living areas to enhance the feeling of spaciousness and connection with the outdoors. Plan for a cozy living room, often with a fireplace or wood-burning stove as a focal point. Include comfortable bedroom spaces and practical entry areas for outdoor gear. Maximize natural light while maintaining a sense of privacy suitable for a natural setting. Pay attention to interior details like wood paneling, exposed beams, structural or decorative, and rustic-style finishes. How to build modular cabin house design with luxury facade. Building a modular cabin house with a luxury facade involves selecting high-quality natural or natural-look materials and incorporating refined architectural details that elevate the rustic charm. Collaborate with the modular manufacturer to choose premium exterior cladding options such as high-grade wood siding, cedar, pine, authentic log siding, or a combination of wood and stone veneer. Design a grand and inviting front porch with substantial timber columns, high-quality decking materials, and elegant railings. Opt for high-performance windows with stylish frames and historically appropriate divided lights or rustic wood frames. Incorporate architectural details such as dormer windows, a well-designed roofline with premium roofing materials like cedar shake or architectural shingles, and a striking stone chimney. Enhance the exterior with sophisticated lighting fixtures, custom-designed entry doors, and professional landscaping that complements the cabin aesthetic. Pay meticulous attention to the joinery and finishing details where the modules connect, ensuring seamless integration and a high-end appearance. The goal is to achieve a sense of refined rustic elegance through the use of superior materials and thoughtful design. Ten Best Modular Cabin House Design Ideas. 1. The classic A-frame modular cabin features the iconic A-frame silhouette with large windows to maximize views and a cozy, lofted interior. 2. The rustic log-look modular retreat utilizes high-quality log-look siding for a traditional aesthetic with the efficiency of modular construction. 3. The modern farmhouse cabin blend combines the clean lines of modern design with rustic farmhouse and cabin elements like board and batten siding and a welcoming porch. 4. The inefficient cabin pod, a smaller, minimalist modular unit perfect for solo retreats or couples, focusing on essential amenities and a strong connection to nature. 5. The two-story cabin lodge modular offers ample space with a second story, often featuring a balcony or loft area and multiple bedrooms for families or groups. 6. The cabin with expansive decking prioritizes outdoor living with large decks and porches, seamlessly integrating the indoor and outdoor spaces. 7. The sustainable and off-grid modular cabin, designed with energy efficiency in mind, often incorporating solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and sustainable materials for remote living. 8. The cabin with stone fireplace feature highlights a prominent stone fireplace as a central element of the interior design, adding warmth and rustic charm. 9. The multi-module cabin with flexible layout utilizes multiple modules to create a larger cabin with customizable floor plans to suit various needs. 10. The elevated cabin on piers, designed to minimize environmental impact and maximize views, often built on piers or stilts above the ground. When designing a modular cabin house, it's crucial to consider the specific environment where the cabin will be located. Factors such as climate, terrain, and local building codes will influence material choices and design features. Think about the views you want to capture and orient the cabin and windows accordingly. Consider the functionality of outdoor spaces and design porches and decks that enhance your enjoyment of the natural surroundings. Interior design should complement the rustic and cozy feel of a cabin, often featuring natural wood finishes, comfortable and durable furnishings, and a warm color palette. Consider incorporating elements like exposed beams, wood-burning stoves, and natural stone accents. Practicality for outdoor activities, such as storage for gear and easy-to-clean surfaces, is also important. At Home Inspiration Studios, we appreciate the harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern efficiency offered by modular cabin house design, providing a convenient and often sustainable way to create a perfect retreat in nature. Modular cabin house design offers a wonderful opportunity to create a cozy and convenient retreat in nature with the added benefits of efficient and often sustainable construction. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are dedicated to showcasing designs that blend comfort and practicality. By embracing the timeless charm of cabin style and leveraging the speed and quality of modular building, you can achieve your dream getaway with ease and style. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modular cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.